Aircraft engineered. Today we're talking about aircraft wheel fusible plugs.
Okay, now let's take a closer look at what a fusible plug looks like. Now this is the wheel hub, and this is the fusible plug, and this is the wall that lets the air out when the fusible plug melts. That's another fusible plug over there. Yes, so basically that's what happens, and yeah, this is what a fusible plug looks like. These are the fusible plugs that do the job. So like and follow for more. Thank you.